Hello, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're talking about a handy little Dewalt drill bit assortment. I recently had a situation to where I had several drill bits that, well, had seen better days, and after a while the ones I got were only going to last so long, so I thought, well, it's time to get a new set. And since I've got a Dewalt drill, I said, well, I'll just go with bits from the same company. So this is a kit that's got everywhere from a 1/2 inch down to, well, probably something your dentist would use as 16. So it's a good assortment of bits. It protects them so that as they're rumbling around in your toolbox or getting bumped around and wherever you've got them stored, you're not as likely to have the bits starting to go dull because something's been banging into them. And sharpening drill bits is not something that is my favorite thing to go do. So this is a good assortment to start with. There's other sizes you can look at, but on the other hand, for general purpose drilling, this probably will take care of you. Now, if you're doing something like masonry or steel, you may want to get some bits specifically meant for that purpose. But this should take care of most of what you're going to need on a day-to-day basis. And it's a good one to have just because of the box of nothing alone. So take a look at this today and I think you'll be happy with it.